Watch what? Mowing the lawn. Can you see the back deck? Not at the moment. That's downstairs. Oh, the yard work. Well, I'm never alone, so that makes it tough. Tomorrow I should have a shorter day, so I might be able to go on live tomorrow a bit during the day once I'm done work. If I come home and I wouldn't consider it a helper, more like distraction. But come September, that will all change. Counting down the days. Evening live again. Evening live are so hard. Mornings are when I can do this. Peace, quiet, alone. Silence is
Obrigada. Tudo bem? Bom dia. Bom dia. Tap na telinha, galerinha.
Good morning. Hello, everyone. Don't forget to follow, like, share, turn on notifications. You loving your country, girl?